Imagine this for a moment. You're parked beside a quiet forest, sunlight slipping through the trees, the air fresh, the world calm, and your motorhome is running completely silent. No fumes, no noise, no stress. Just you, the open road, and a fully eco-friendly motorhome that powers itself through nature. Welcome back to MotorHome's Master, your home for the best motorhome reviews, travel tips, and lifestyle inspiration. And today, we're diving into something every modern traveler is talking about: eco-friendly motorhome upgrades that make your journeys cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable, while giving you more freedom than ever. If you've ever dreamed of reducing fuel consumption, saving money, traveling off-grid longer, and protecting the environment while exploring it, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and imagine how different your next adventure could be with these upgrades. Let's start with one of the most powerful changes you can make: solar power. Solar energy is the heart of sustainable travel, and modern solar systems are more advanced than people realize. Today's high-efficiency solar panels fit neatly across your motorhome roof with ultra-thin frames and lightweight surfaces. They don't look bulky, and they don't add unnecessary weight. Outside, they blend smoothly into the vehicle. Inside, the difference is immediate. Lights stay bright. The fridge keeps running. Your devices stay fully charged, all without starting the engine or turning on a noisy generator. The best part? Solar power is completely free, clean energy coming straight from the sun. Modern charge controllers even allow efficient charging during cloudy days, so you never feel energy pressure again. For long forest stays, beachside parking, or off-grid mountain camping, a powerful solar setup is one of the smartest eco-friendly upgrades you can install. Now, let's move to the batteries, because solar power is only as strong as the storage behind it. If your motorhome still uses old AGM or lead-acid batteries, upgrading to lithium batteries is a total game-changer. Lithium batteries are lighter, stronger, and far more efficient. They charge faster, last years longer, and give you much more usable power. Imagine running your lights, your fan, your fridge, even your laptop all night, and waking up to find your battery still at 70%. That's the stability lithium gives you. They're also up to 50% lighter, which means better fuel efficiency and smoother handling on the road. Yes, the upfront cost is higher, but the long-term savings are huge. This upgrade alone transforms the entire motorhome lifestyle. Now let's talk about one of the most surprisingly effective eco-upgrades: the composting toilet. It's becoming extremely popular with long-term travelers, van lifers, and off-grid explorers. Traditional RV toilets use gallons of water and require harsh chemicals. Composting toilets use zero water, no chemicals, and break down waste naturally. It might sound unusual, but once you use one, you appreciate how clean and odor-free they actually are. And the biggest advantage: no black tank to deal with. That means fewer dump station stops, more time enjoying nature, and a much smaller environmental footprint. For people who love camping in remote areas, this upgrade is a blessing. Next, let's look at something that may not be talked about enough: aerodynamic enhancements. These small exterior upgrades make a massive difference in fuel efficiency. Things like roof vent spoilers, wind deflectors, low-profile AC units, and streamlined awning covers reduce wind drag and help your motorhome cut through the air more easily. On highways, this means a smoother drive, less noise, and better fuel mileage. Even a few improvements can save hundreds of dollars in fuel every year. Eco-friendly travel isn't just about energy, It's about smart efficiency. Now, stepping inside again, one of the easiest and cheapest eco upgrades you can make is switching to LED lighting. LED lights use about 80 to 90% less power than traditional bulbs and last much longer. They stay cool, they look modern, and they help your battery stay charged longer. Whether it's interior lights, reading lights, or even headlights and tail lights, LEDs give your motorhome a fresher, cleaner feel without wasting energy. Another major upgrade is eco-friendly insulation. Good insulation reduces how hard your heater or AC needs to work, which saves power and fuel. Natural insulation options like sheep wool, recycled denim, cork, or eco-fiber keep your motorhome warm in winter and cool in summer. It also reduces moisture inside the walls, making the interior healthier and more comfortable. Whether you travel in snowy regions or desert heat, insulating your motorhome the right way makes every trip more peaceful and efficient. Next, we move to something that improves your comfort daily: energy-efficient water heating. Traditional RV water heaters run constantly, wasting gas and electricity even when you're not using hot water. But tankless heaters, solar-heated water tanks, and low-energy heat pump systems heat water only when you need it. You still get long, comfortable showers, but your energy use drops dramatically. It feels luxurious and sustainable at the same time. Now let's talk about style, because being eco-friendly can also look beautiful. Many motorhome owners are upgrading their interiors with sustainable and recycled materials. Bamboo countertops, reclaimed wood cabinets, eco-friendly vinyl flooring, and organic fabrics make the interior feel warm, natural, modern, and clean. They're lightweight, durable, and environmentally responsible. When you walk inside, the space feels like a cozy, eco-inspired home. Of course, to make all these upgrades work smoothly, you need to monitor your energy usage. That's where smart energy monitors come in. These systems show everything: your battery percentage, solar charging input, and which appliances are using the most power. Instead of guessing, you know exactly how long your energy will last. This helps you adjust your travel habits, stretch your power for days, and stay off-grid longer with confidence. And finally, let's look at something that touches the road every second: eco-friendly tires. Modern eco tires use recycled rubber components and are designed with low rolling resistance. This means better fuel efficiency, smoother acceleration, and quieter travel. They grip the road well and offer long-lasting durability. For a more efficient motorhome lifestyle, these tires are a smart and responsible choice. Now you might be wondering, which upgrade should you start with? Well, it depends on your travel style. If you want maximum impact immediately, go for the solar plus lithium combo. If you're on a budget, start with LED lighting or smart aerodynamics. If you want maximum off-grid independence, a composting toilet and upgraded insulation will change your life. Every upgrade improves your motorhome experience in a different way, and together they create a cleaner, quieter, more sustainable way to live on the road. Now I want to hear from you. Which eco-friendly upgrade would you add first to your motorhome? Solar panels, lithium batteries, insulation, or maybe the composting toilet? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. At the end of the day, sustainable travel isn't just about equipment. It's about freedom. Freedom to explore nature while protecting it. Freedom to travel farther, stay longer, and rely less on fuel and electricity. These upgrades don't just improve your motorhome. They improve your lifestyle. They make every journey smoother, quieter, cheaper, and more respectful toward the environment we all love. If you enjoyed this guide and want more motorhome tips, reviews, and travel inspiration, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is Motorhome's Master, bringing you the best insights for a better life on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.